Isabel, have you sent your streaks today?
I don't remember.
Surprise, you haven't! Are you going to? Just a reminder, we are at 157 days, and to get to 158 days, you would actually have to send me a Snapchat within the next 2 hours. Like, I'm not worried. Like, I believe you're gonna send me a Snapchat. Just, like, maybe hurry up. Oh my god, Ryan, you didn't snap me back. We had a 4-day streak!
Well, I don't do streaks on purpose. It just happens.
What? Fine, it's fine. I'll just pay for it to get restored. Streaks?
Why do you care so much about streaks like it's 2019?
What do you mean? Lots of people still do streaks. You think this is good for my streaks?
What, it's just your forehead with a red letter S.
Yeah, do you think it's good? Isabel, did you send it yet? Because I haven't gotten anything. I don't want to be pushy, but I don't want to lose the streak, you know? Isabel, I'm refreshing and it's not coming up. Hi, I'm calling to see if I can get a streak restored.
How did you get the Snapchat headquarters number? Who is this?
Oh, Megan, it's me.
Okay, we'll get that done for you right away.
Okay, bye.
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 Bye.